Hi there and welcome to my channel DIY with Suze. Every week I do a new DIY project with things that I have either laying around the house or items that I've picked up at my local thrift store or dollar store. This week I've decided to do a small water feature for my balcony. I picked up a few items from my dollar store. So if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and be notified every week of a new video that comes out. Looking forward to this project, so let's get started. So to make my fountain, these are the items that I purchased at the dollar store. So I have 3 pots in varying sizes, large, medium, small. And then I bought some pebbles and some glass rocks and some glass stones, some fake plants. They look great though. I think these are called succulents and they're going to look really good in the pot. And then I bought a little statue. I thought it was very nice, and it has a solar light, so it'll be kind of nice in the evenings. And then I bought this, this is floral foam, which is going to fill in some of the spots. So now I'm going to take my rocks and my nice clear beads and my green ones, and I'm going to fill in around, and then I'll glue my bucket on top. Placed all my stones around, I'm actually going to glue my bucket on top now and then fill in around the bottom of it. To stick in my fake greenery around the edges. To install the water pump, I drilled 2 holes into the side of the planter. To seal the hole where I had pulled the cord through for the pump, I used clear silicone caulking and I made a plastic shield. I covered the plastic shield with the silicone. I placed my plastic shield inside my pot and then secured it with some tape. I then used caulking to plug up the hole on the outside of the pot. So the tape wasn't holding the plastic shield in place, so I had to be creative. I used a ladle and placed it in the planter, applying pressure to the plastic shield and taped it in place to secure. I let the silicone cure and then I removed the ladle. I gathered some rocks from a beach nearby and started putting them in the pot. I placed a big rock on the bottom and secured the pump to that rock. Once I was satisfied with the placement of rocks, I then filled my pot with water. I then turned the pump on to make sure it was working. I then added the colored rocks and the other succulent to the pot for decoration. I forgot to film adding the Buddha, but you will see it at the end.